Hello guys, this is the continuation of modernization of Chinese diesel heater. Firstly, I am making an additional air filter because in my workshop I work a lot with metal and there's a lot of dust in it that the vent takes in. I use the cheapest cabin filters for around $5 for 2 of them. The whole box I combine with the help of blind rivets. I need to make the fan intake longer for it to stick 1 centimeter out of the case. I will finish the opening in the back wall of the box from the filter with reinforced rubber seal. It will make the trembling that might appear during the work of the machine less impactful and will be very, very small. I screw drive the case of the filter to the heater. I placed a piece of mat on the bottom and top to seal the filter. The top cover must be able to be opened, so that's why I also screw-drived it with screws. In front of the filter, I put a metal net with nylon filter that will protect from eventual hurt of the main filter. Okay, so I made a filter, yet some people might say that by doing that, I also reduced the air intake. So let's go check it. First, let's see with an open cover of the filter. I am checking it from 80 centimeters of gap from the outlet pipe so I don't damage the measuring tool with high temperature. And now we'll close the cover of the filter. As we can see, it doesn't affect the work of the heater, and it doesn't make the amount of air intake smaller. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.